So what is function? What is the use of function? How we can write a function? Give one any one sample for a function, sample statement for a function. I think you already learned that function topic in +1, isn't it? How many statements are there in one program? Then we want to simplify, if we want to simplify that program, we will just break that program into different small functions. Okay, just like a module. I'll give some live example. That is, in our house, home theater system is there, isn't it? In that home theater system, so many parts are there. TV is the speaker is the main speaker is the just like that. All together form a big system, that is home theater system. Just like that, we are simplifying a large program into different small modules. Okay. Another example it is, I want to create a program based on calculator. We will already discuss the program based on calculator. That is, in calculator, we have so many mathematical function. I will explain only 4 function, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I will write a program, normal program based on this arithmetic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in a single program. Then I want to use functions for this program. I will use a single function for addition, another function for multiplication, another function for subtraction, and one function for multiplication. So I will give separate functions for this for arithmetic operation for simplifying a big calculator program. It is not a big one. I will give one example. Okay. So for we can write a normal program with normal statements using normal statement for this calculator program. We can use function also. Function is used for simplifying the complex program, or we divide a big program into small portions. Like one portion is for addition, another portion is for subtraction, another portion for multiplication, another portion for division. These small portions are known as functions. Okay. And for function, we are using the symbol. In all function, we are using this round bracket. This is compulsory for all function. Okay. For all function, we are using this round bracket. And one function name is there. Of the function name, it is, I will write for calculator, I will write calcul, or we can write calculator. So here, this is the function name. And this bracket is for mentioning this is a function. And before that, want to write def. It's a command used for, or it's a keyword used to identify calcul is a, I'll write calc. Calc is a function. And after that, we want to write one colon also. I will explain the syntax before that. So here, the third chapter, it is working with function. Working with function. Function is a subprogram that act on data and often return a value. A function is a subprogram that act on
It's new
data.
chapter.
New chapter, third chapter, working with functions. That is the third chapter, working with functions. A function is a subprogram that act on data and often return a value. You write the definition of function only. Okay. There is no need of writing this different types. A function is a subprogram that act on data and often return a value. The next heading, it is defining function in Python. Okay.
Not completed, ma'am.
You just write the definition of function only. There is no need of writing this Python function types. Okay. Okay. After explaining this thing, we can write that three types. Okay. You just write the definition of function. A function is a subprogram that act on data. That is, it work with data and it returns some value also. That single line is needed. Okay. So next heading, it is defining function in Python. Defining how we can define a function in Python. Okay. Or how we can give the definition of a function in Python. Write this program.
Ma'am,
Okay.
that
Okay.
BFCLC in brackets X is that
X.
right?
X. It is X. The question of this program is write a program to find out 2x square.
Ma'am,
Okay,
this
Achut.
should be right, ma'am, on the left or on the right.
I will explain this program. After that, you can write. Okay. Is it completed? This one?
No, ma'am, right.
Okay. The program it is find out the value of 2x square. X is equal to end input, enter a number. So this is the
Ma'am,
okay. So Aryan, read the statement. It's time 5:18. Okay. Aryan. Okay. Aditya, read the statement.
Ma'am, DEF,
DEF. Okay. We can write calc within bracket
X
X. Okay. Then
in column,
colon.
R equal to
After tab space, R is equal to
X star star
X exponent 3 and
return
return R. Then what about the next statement?
A equal to int
Okay.
input. Enter the number.
A is equal to int input, enter the number. Then
And print
print
calc A.
calc A. Okay. So first it will execute this statement. So I can enter one value and that value is stored in A. And after that, print calc A is the statement. In that statement, first it will execute this statement, this function call statement. Here, this is the function call statement. Then the control moves to the function definition. The value of A is assigned to X and we calculate the result and the result is assigned to R and the result is returned to this print statement and the result is printed. Is it clear? Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 second, I will take the attendance.
Ma'am,
Okay. Okay.
but program, if you are using this valid identifier, can we use that again in the same program?
Same program.
Yeah.
Sometimes it is okay. That is, if we are using A here, we can use A here. No problem. But if we are using A is equal to 10, again I am using A is equal to 5, then the value is changed. 10 becomes 5. If we are using repeatedly using the same variable name.
Also, if we are using more than one variable, like we are using X and also we are using Y, we have to give us in the bracket X comma Y, right?
We can give here. Here we can give X comma Y. The next topic is based on that. If I want to find the sum of two numbers, we can give two values here. Here we will give X comma Y or A comma B. Just like that. Okay. Then here also we want to give that two variable name.